So this is the last bit of our presentation. This is the last episode, the last video. What I'm going to show you here is the final part, which is after the intermission. This is when we broadcast our final bit. Yours may be 6, 7, 8 or 9. It's entirely up to you. But you can see it's in the same order. I've got my sound, and then I've got it to move after the sound. So instead of it moving before the sound here, I've got it to move my character, the face, which is me. I've got it to move after I read. So once I press A, you might just hear very, very lightly speaking underneath. Now I'm going to stop it here because you can actually see that the text almost covered the screen. This is probably about the most amount you could put in, which is about 25 seconds worth of excuse me, about 25 seconds worth of speaking. That's probably about the most you can put in before you have to say something else again. So read it. You can record yourself reading this text and put it in just like I have here, like I showed you before, and I put a new recording in. Make sure that you can play it from beginning to end. After the intermission, and that when it starts, it goes to the intermission fully. Okay? And make sure that it works. Okay? You can also notice, just very quickly, I've made my character hide and then show again after part 3. It's entirely up to you where you want to go and put the show and hide. To hide it just makes it look a little bit neater when you get to the intermission and you're ready to speak, so you don't have your character behind you while you're speaking to your class. That's it. I hope that you add more parts to it and you create a very good and interesting presentation. Think about your audience and who you're speaking to. Speak clearly, speak slowly, and remember, you can always delete a sound and redo it.